Hey guys, how's it going? How to check Spotify blend percentage. So launch the Spotify app on your mobile device or go to the website, tap the home tab, and then just scroll down to the made for you section, tap on your blend playlist. You'll see a percentage of your music blended with your friends' tracks displayed at the top of the playlist. That's it. You can see how much of the music basically let me just right here, you will see the percentage of your music blended with your friends track displayed at the top of the playlist, and you will see how much of your music taste is mixed with your friends'. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.